Yo, what's going on guys? In this video I'm going to show you 5 ways on how to rename your precious homework folder or files. Okay, let me grab my computer. Okay, to do so you just have to right click on a file and press rename it, and just pick whatever new name you like, and like can to yep, I don't know, any random name for that matter. The second way is the ribbon tool. Okay, you just have to like activate this area, the ribbon, with this arrow. Mine is always here, so and press on that file and press rename. The third way is the flash way.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
Not the super fast dude, but you gotta do like 2 clicks on the file to rename it, and it works on pretty much any programs. So you have to click once, wait, and then twice, and this will appear and you'll just... The fourth is a shortcut. You just have to click on the file and press F2 and rename it. It works, those works with file or a folder. F2, the ribbon, and also right click. And yeah, I know it's 2020 and I'm not supposed to make that type of content in 2020, but I'm sure that you'll find this, I don't know, like what, funny or instructive.
No!
You're facing the...
No!
Fifth way is a little bit more advanced than this basics option. You have to activate the command line, and a fast way to do it, you just press on address bar, you just click, you type cmd and enter, and it'll bring up the command prompt. And here what you just have to do is type rin space quote and jg.x, and you close it, paste, and the new name for the file, kf.x, and press enter, and here the file is renamed. Okay, let's go a little bit wilder and let's see if it works with caps. Okay. Okay, it didn't work here just because J was in lowercase, so you just have to pay attention to the spaces, to the case of the file. Okay, here a quick bonus: you can also do this like with PowerShell, and the fastest way to do so is to go to File and open PowerShell. Like rename item, quote the name of the file and the new name, so it'll be minecraft.x. That was it for today's video. It's kind of boring, but right now I've been focusing a lot on TikTok. You gain exposure here like really fast if you create good contents. I've been creating videos like this. So yeah, this video was unscripted. Like I didn't write any script for it. I just say anything that came out of my head. So I don't know if it's better like when I write everything down. If you like this video, press the subscribe button, like this video, and maybe share it. I will see you again in 6 months. I'm just joking. Next week. So peace.